Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your cabin air filter on your F80 M3. This applies to like F30s, F32s, all the F chassis pretty much. First step is you buy this part from BMW. That's the part number right there. It's 61 with tax from BMW, which low-key I think I got taxed. But anyways, first step is to go on your passenger side and then remove these two 10mm nuts here and right there. Okay, now that you got those off, just take this panel off. So after you pull down this panel, you want to remove the connector to the light. Remove this connector as well. And then you want to pull the panel away. So after you remove the panel, you're going to see the housing for the air filter. There should be two T20 screws right here, and then one right there. So remove this, pull it down. The filter should just come out like this. And there's the old filter. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Now you want to open up the new one. Alright, so when you're putting the new filter in, you want to make sure the arrow is pointing towards the car, or the front of the car. You're looking at it like this, and then you want to just put it in like this. So the arrow will be pointing this way, and then you can read BMW like that. Next, you just put the cover back on how it was originally. Make sure these pins match up with the holes right here. Now that that's secure, you can bring back the panel, plug in the light again. You want to match this clip onto the top of here. Plug this in as well. And then match these pins with the holes right here. Tuck that in as well. Finally, you just put back the bolts. And you're all set with the install.